Shigla mattress setting spray. Let's go where it is of this. So, dalawa ito ilalagay sa face ko. So, first is after kong iset yung face ko ng powder. So, naglagay na ako ng mga cream makeup ko and nag-set na ako with setting powder. Then, tsaka ako maglalagay nito ng setting spray na Shigla. And make sure pag binili nyo to, meron siyang ball sa loob. Kasi yung una kong binili nito, wala. So, lagi ako nag-struggle kapag i-spray ko na siya. Kasi sabog or hindi ayos yung pag-spray niya. Kasi kailangan palang i-ball. So, defective pala yung nakuha ko nung first time. So, let's set this first. Then, I'm gonna apply again yung mga free products na nilagay ko sa face ko. Then, tsaka ko siya isa-set ulit with this. Then, applying mga cream, additional cream, color sa aking face. Then, let's set again using this setting spray. Then time check. It's already 10 o'clock in the morning. Time check is already 12:30 in the afternoon. Lagis ng makeup, halos wala namang gumalaw. And then kami sa biyahe, binayad kami for 1.5 hours. Time check, it's already 2 p.m. in the afternoon and 4 hours na simula na nag-makeup ako. With 1.5 hours kami nangyari kanina sa initan. So ito na yung face ko after 4 hours. Using Shiglam mattifying setting spray na color yellow. So ito na siya. So medyo nag-shine ng konti lang yung ilong ko. Pero the rest, still like new na medyo glowy. Yun siya. So nice. Free tapos time check is already 4:40 ng hapon. And this is how we make it up with red lights. So, almost 7 hours na makeup ko and yet, super ganda pa din and slightly shining sa may nose area. Everything is still intact. Okay, let's do a tissue test. So, yan yung face ko after 9 hours. So, pawis na ako and oily na din but all of my makeup, it's still intact which is really good. So, hindi ako nag-retouch or anything. So, let's see if may magta-transfer after 9 hours. So, let's check. Diba? Okay. Then, hindi siya after ng facial. And here yung mga na-transfer. So, mostly yung konting foundation, blush ko. Kasi kanina, super visible pa yung blush ko dyan. So, but still, it's still really good. Time check. It's already 8:30 in the evening and almost 11 hours na yung makeup ko. And simula nang nagtanggal ako ng oil ko kanina using tissue, hindi na ako naggawa na anything sa face ko. So, ito na yung makeup ko after 11 hours using Shiglam setting spray matte finish. So, ito na siya. Actually, hindi talaga masyado nag-oil yung face ko. So, ayan na siya. So, shiny lang siya but not oily enough na sabihin na hulas na hulas na. And also, may makeup, it's still there. And let's remove it para makita natin kung gaano kadami natira. I have here my micellar water. So, let's check kung gaano kadami pa yung natira. So, there's satisfying talaga tanggalin ito. So, ito yung wala ng makeup and ito yung meron. So, let's see. Yung kilay ko talaga buong buo pa, in fairness. Tanggalin natin. So, fast forward ko na lang to. So, para walang cut. So, here's my bare face without anything. So, ganito pa kadaming makeup yung natira sa kanya. And ang pag-makeup ko is hindi makapal. So, yung ganito kadaming natira, like almost super onti lang na percentage na fully oxidized sa face ko using yung setting spray na yon. So, if you want more of this na follow me, comment down below. Bye!